Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, in today's video, I'm going to do a little bit of a makeover under our pear tree that's outside. It's very windy outside, so I wanted to do the intro inside so you could actually hear me. So, what I need to do today is I need to take grass out from underneath the tree. I'm going to do kind of like a tree ring, but I have some cinnamon ferns and I have some autumn frost hostas that I'm going to be planting around the perimeter of the tree. Well, kind of around the perimeter of the tree. I do have a bench there, so it'll kind of be behind the bench, so to speak. You'll see. I promise. It'll make sense. I should also mention that I garden in a zone 5 in case that's helpful. If you see any of the plants that you like, you know if they'll grow in your area. Alright, so step 1, I'm going to dig out all of the grass out from around the tree. Step 2, I'm going to lay out the plants kind of in the order that I think that they'd grow best and look best. And then number 3, I'm going to start with the biotone fertilizer and plant them. And then I have some mulch in another area that I'm going to be picking up by the wagon full, and I'll mulch the area and show you the end result. Alright guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.